Lane 2, middle lane, vehicle approaches lane hogger after correctly overtaking using the middle lane and moves back to lane 1 as per Highway Code Rule 264, lane discipline, and is impeded by the vehicle in lane 2, the lane hogger. The impeded vehicle is now forced to move over to lane 3 to overtake the lane hogger. Notice the driver correctly did not undertake the lane hogger by using lane 1 as per Highway Code 267 overtaking. Middle lane hogging. Here are the facts and what the law says about it. Yes, it is an offense, although it comes under careless driving, along with tailgating, accidentally running a red light and even being distracted by eating or drinking. New laws introduced in 2013 give police officers the power to hand out on-the-spot fines of £100 and 3 penalty points, meaning failing to keep left on the motorway could hit you in the pocket. Wanted. Your dashcam footage. Want to see your footage here? Send your video and comments to ukroadregs@gmail.com.
If you have enjoyed this video and found it informative, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next UK roads traffic regulations and road signs informative video.